Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Final Cut Pro on Mac, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Final Cut Pro icon on your Mac. The icon is typically found in the Applications folder, but you can also search for it using Spotlight. To access Spotlight, press Command and Spacebar simultaneously. Type Final Cut Pro in the search bar that appears. Once the icon appears, click on it to launch the application. If this is your first time opening Final Cut Pro, you'll see a welcome screen. Here, you may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you already have an Apple ID, enter your email address and password. If you do not have an Apple ID, you can create one directly from this screen. To create a new Apple ID, click on the Create Apple ID link and follow the prompt. After entering your credentials, press the Sign In button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you may receive a verification code on your trusted device. Enter that code in the space provided and click Continue. Once you've successfully logged in, Final Cut. If you have any existing projects, they will appear on the screen. If you want to create a new project, select New Project from the options. Now you are ready to start editing your videos with Final Cut Pro. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the tools available. Enjoy your editing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.